In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add fixed version in Jira. If you want to keep releases organized, connect issues to the right software version, and make your roadmap easier to track. This is a simple but very useful field to understand. Jira makes it possible to assign a fixed version directly from the issue itself, so you can tie bugs, tasks, or stories to an upcoming release without adding messy notes in the description. To get started, open your preferred web browser and sign in to your Jira site. Once you're on the main Jira homepage, go to the top navigation bar, click Projects, and then choose the project you want to work in. This takes you into the project where your issues, boards, and release information are managed. After the project loads, find the issue you want to update. You can either scroll through the board or use the search bar at the top of the interface to quickly locate the exact task, story, or bug. When you find the right issue, click on its issue key or title to open the issue details. Depending on your Jira layout, this may open in a side panel or a full issue view. Once the issue is open, look to the right-hand details section. This area contains important fields like status, assignee, reporter, and components. Scroll through these fields until you find the one labeled Fix Versions. This is the field used to connect the issue to the release in which the work is expected to be delivered. Now click directly into the Fix Versions field. If nothing has been assigned yet, you may see something like None or just an empty space. As soon as you click, a drop-down menu will appear. This lets you choose from the release versions that already exist in the project. Next, type the name of the version you want to assign. Jira will filter the list as you type, making it easier to find the correct release. When you see the version you want, click it once to select it. If a matching version hasn't been created yet, Jira may also show an option to create a new version depending on your permissions. After selecting the version, take a moment to confirm that it now appears in the Fix Versions field. In most Jira setups, your change saves automatically, so there's usually no separate save button to press. Once you see the version attached, the issue is now linked to that planned release. That's it. You've successfully added a Fix version in Jira, making your release tracking cleaner, more accurate, and much easier to manage. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.